Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. I am Naima S. Sali.
I am Maleha S. Belli.
And I am Farhana M. Gogo.
And for today, we're going to show you our presentation about Family Code.
Family Code of the Philippines. Executive Order Number 209, signed into law by the President Corazon C. Aquino on July 16, 1987, and which became effective on August 3, 1988.
Article number 1. Marriage is a special contract of permanent union between a man and a woman entered into accordance with the law for the establishment of conjugal and family life. It is the foundation of the family and an inviolable social institution. Thus, nature, consequences, and incidents are governed by law and not subject to stipulation except that marriage settlements may fix the property relations during the marriage within the limits provided by this code.
Article number 2. No marriage shall be valid unless these essential requisites are present. Number 1. Legal capacity of the contracting parties, who must be a male and a female. Number 2. Consent freely given in the presence of the solemnizing officer.
Article number 3. The formal requisites of marriage are 1. Authority of the solemnizing officer. 2. A valid marriage license except in the cases provided for in Chapter 2 of this title. And 3. A marriage ceremony which takes place with the appearance of the contracting parties before the solemnizing officer and their personal declaration that they take each other as husband and wife in the presence of not less than 2 witnesses at They take each other as husband and wife in the presence of not less than 2 witnesses of legal age.
Article number 4. The absence of the essential or formal requisites shall render the marriage void ab initio except as stated in Article 35. A defect in any of the essential requisites shall render the marriage voidable as provided in Article 45. An irregularity in the formal requisites shall not affect the validity of the marriage, but the party or parties responsible for the irregularity shall be. Article number 5. Any of male or female of the age of 18 years or upwards not under any of the impediments mentioned in Article 37 and 38 may contract marriage.
Act or series of acts. Physical, psychological, sexual harm or suffering, economic abuse, including threats of such acts, battery, assault, coercion, harassment, or arbitrary deprivation of liberty.
An assault is the act of the inflicting physical harm, unwanted physical contact upon a person, or in some specific legal definition, a threat or attempt to commit such an action. It is both a crime and a tort, and therefore may result in criminal prosecution. The punishment for assault in the Philippines, the revised penal code, Article 148 imposes the penalty of imprisonment, of prison, correctional, and its medium and a maximum period. Violence against children includes all forms of violence against people under 18 years old, for infants and younger children. Violence mainly involves child maltreatment, for example, physical, sexual, and emotional abuse and neglect at the hands of the parents and other authority figures. The punishment would be rigorous imprisonment up to 5 years and fine up to Rs 5 lakh.